It's finally over. We popped the AI bubble. Look, Triple T. Triple T?
Worry not, friend.
What?
I'll always be Tung Tung Sahib.
Triple T! No!
And although he was born without a soul, Tung Tung redefined what it meant to be whole. Created by the wickedness we stole. For our sins, Tung Tung pays the toll.